Welcome to another unboxing from Alan's Trains. What have we got here? Let's find out. Exciting, isn't it? And guess what? It's Henry! Henry doesn't much like being in this box, so let's let him out. This is the only tender loco that is not tender driven. Gordon and Edward are both tender driven. This one is based upon the Hornby Black 5 model, and it has the motor in the engine, which is preferred by many modelers. Let's put him on the track and see how he gets on. This particular loco was part of a batch originally sold by Rails of Sheffield, and if you see one with this particular product code, don't buy it, because it has loose tender wheels. This particular loco was reviewed by Sam's Trains, and in that review Sam had to glue the tender wheels back, which is what I have had to do. But if you see one of these, you may find it's going cheap. That's the reason. Here we see Henry on the turntable. We're giving him a 360-degree view. Let's look at the front of him. He has got a nice face, you can see. There is a buff beam depicted here, and there's the brake pipe depicted, and there are buffers, but they're not. The buffers are not sprung. Here we see that Henry is one of the more detailed Thomas & Friends models. Here we see there's the steam chest is depicted, and all this motion is depicted, and there's a wire handrail here which you don't get on many other models. Along here we've got the whistles, but there's no glazing there. And the number 3 is shown here, and there's a coal loader depicted. Going round to the end, we see there's quite a lot of detail here, and also note there's separately fitted handrails, which you don't get on the other Thomas & Friends locomotives. Looking at the underside of this model, you will notice that it does not have any traction tyres. That's because it's not tender driven, the wheels are just freewheeling. Also going along to the main part of the loco, there's also no traction tyres, which may be a plus point in this particular loco's favour. The moment of truth, will he run? Yes. This is the express points test. You can see he's just smooth as silk going over them, no problems at all. Let's do a slow speed test. Yeah, it's good. Doesn't stall, so he's a good model. Let's go and get some coaches, shall we?